Welcome to this short story, the story of the 25 years of Our Lady of the Forsaken. It all begins with a wish to pray together. Families began assembling between chawls to have masses, but they longed to have a proper place to pray. And then came a miracle. The Patel family, one of the oldest families in the parish, offered a place to pray. The prayers of the people had been answered. They began to pray in the grotto, but the problems did not stop. During rainy season, it was extremely difficult to pray because they had no proper roofing. And so, Father Xavier, our first parish priest, erected a cross which stands till this day in the parish quadrangle. He built a proper church. Father Anthony, who came next, was well known for imparting values to youngsters and adults alike. And then came Father Gilbert. He extended the parish and gave it its modern look. There were still some problems though. The Sunday school was being conducted inside the church for all the students, and it was difficult to teach them. There was a need for classrooms, AV rooms and a library too, so our children could have a bright future and a good place to study and learn. And that is when all the parishioners got together under the guidance of Father Simon and with the help of donations built up the existing structure. Next to enter the story was Father Savio. The ground was breaking up and there was no place for church activities. The parish needed a chapel desperately too. Father Savio took it under his belt and helped complete this project in record time. Father helped organize lots of events and brought families together, making the parish one of the most vibrant parishes in the Diocese of Mumbai. And that, my dear friends, is how we are all here together, celebrating 25 years of love and fellowship in this parish we call Our Lady of the Forsaken.
We were having masses in a very, in a very small place, no proper place to sit, no fans and all. And we used to always think when we will be able to come together, build up the community and have a full-fledged parish. People used to complain that these facilities are not there and we will go to other parishes. Then we worked hard and we have this parish today where we have got full facilities of everything, the choir, the sitting, the arrangement, everything is very nice and we are very happy of having achieved this.
I have been quite close to Our Lady of the Forsaken parish. I can proudly say that it's my parish. I remember my dad, Mr. John Patel, who worked for the church as a sacristan, who served the church as a sacristan for a number of years. And I remember my dad making me do little works of the church. Not only me, he would involve the whole family and make everyone do something or the other for the church. So the whole Patel family would do, and still I feel we are doing something for the church. Right from my childhood, I've seen this church, the parish, growing in number of ways, and I've seen the priest coming and working hard, putting in their best and doing a lot for the church. I'm very proud that today we are one of the vibrant parishes in whole Mumbai, and it's equally I'm very delighted and very happy that our parish has completed 25 years of its erection. It's a proud moment not only for me, but I feel for all the parishioners of Our Lady of the Forsaken. Lastly, wishing you all a happy feast and have a great time. Thank you.
25 years is really a very special landmark for us as a parish because it signifies a special feeling they've achieved something. And I've been part of this parish for 6 years, and I'm very proud of things that have happened in these 6 years. I was happy to see the chapel being built, and a lot of things, much more than the physical, it's the growth of the parish as a whole. The SCCs were among the top 10 SCC parishes of Bombay. Also, the family cell that received a prize for the best family cell in our deanery. Besides that, last year our youth received an honor of being the second best in the whole deanery. A lot of landmarks that we have achieved as a parish, and it's a proud moment that I'm here as a part of the parish for the 25th year of its initiation. I'm really very proud to be part of this celebration today, and I thank God because He has been with me throughout.